Want to fly first class without breaking the bank? In this video, I'm going to share with you the ultimate travel hacks for 2024 that'll help you fly in luxury while paying economy prices. Whether you're planning your dream trip or just want a taste of the high life, stick around for these game-changing tips. Have you heard of airline mistake fares? Sometimes, airlines accidentally list first-class tickets at economy prices due to technical glitches or human errors. In 2024, platforms like Secret Flying or Airfare Watchdog can help you spot these mistake fares. If you act quickly, you could score a first-class ticket at an unbelievable price. While it's rare, mistake fares do happen. You just have to be ready to book as soon as you find one. Now let's talk airline miles and points. If you haven't signed up for airline loyalty programs yet, you're missing out. In 2024, many airlines offer bonus points when you book flights or use their credit cards. Rack up those points by shopping, dining, or even booking hotels. You can then upgrade to first class without spending a dime. Timing is everything. Airlines release first-class tickets at discounted rates when flights aren't fully booked. Keep an eye out for last-minute upgrades, typically offered 24 to 48 hours before departure. And here's a pro tip. Flying midweek or during off-peak seasons in 2024 increases your chances of scoring cheaper first-class seats. Ever heard of bidding for upgrades? Many airlines in 2024 now allow passengers to place a bid for first-class seats. It's a gamble, but if you bid strategically, slightly above the minimum, you could snag a first-class seat for a fraction of the price. Don't forget about flight deal websites and apps. Tools like Scott's Cheap Flights and Google Flights can alert you to last-minute first-class deals or glitch fares for 2024. Set up notifications so you never miss out on insane discounts. Another hack that savvy travelers use is status matching. Many airlines in 2024 offer status match programs, meaning if you have elite status with one airline, you can often get that status matched with another airline for free. With elite status, you'll get access to complimentary upgrades, including first-class seats on some flights. Keep an eye out for status match offers from airlines like Delta, United, and American Airlines in 2024. It could be your ticket to flying first class without paying a premium. Lastly, don't forget about partner airlines. Many major airlines have alliances or partnerships with other carriers. In 2024, using points from one airline could allow you to upgrade on a partner airline's first-class cabin for a fraction of the price. Research airline alliances like Star Alliance or oneworld to find out how you can take advantage. By booking through a partner airline, you can unlock premium upgrades while using fewer points or miles. From bidding on upgrades to using status matches, these travel hacks are your gateway to flying first class for less in 2024. Ready to experience the luxury of first class? Try them out and let me know your success story in the comments. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications for more budget travel tips.